It's been almost a decade since Angular became the most popular JavaScript framework, but is Angular still a good choice in 2023? The fact that the framework was created by Google is a key benefit for many developers. Getting started with Angular is piss easy. Everything you need is included in the official package, and it's not necessary to install third-party libraries. When you learn a new framework, it's hard to identify the right sources, but Angular has documentation where developers can find all the necessary information. Angular is used to build web applications, native mobile apps, or desktop apps. You could say, so can React or Flutter, but the biggest difference is what you get in the base package. In contrast to React, Angular is an all-in-one framework, and it has all the key built-in features. A common approach to web dev requires a page reload each time a user interacts with the website. All projects created with Angular are single page applications or SPAs. They just load part of the page and dynamically update it during use. What are the benefits of using single page applications? A faster site with better user experience. The website updates dynamically, so users don't have to wait for the page to refresh. If you want to see a SPA in action, check out Netflix. The navigation within Netflix is performed without refreshing the entire page, and Netflix is pretty popular. So is the Google developed framework still worthy in 2023? The answer is yes. Angular is an up-to-date and efficient platform to build modern products.